Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the Eachine E58 toy quadcopter into an FPV racer. The board that I'm going to use is the Eachine Skykylin F3 brushed flight controller, which I'm not sure it's being sold anymore, so you can use any other brushed flight controller. The thing I like about this one is that it has a built-in FrSky D8 receiver, so I will be able to control the quadcopter using my Taranis remote controller without having the need to add an external receiver. If you've already seen my modification video of this quadcopter, you know that I fried the flight controller while trying to upgrade it into an FPV quadcopter, so I think it's also going to be a good opportunity to fix it by using this flight controller. Now, if you ask yourself, why should you bother with this modification? I think the answer is pretty simple. If you want to experience acro FPV flying, or you want a family member to experience FPV flying without risking your expensive quadcopter, and also experiencing it in a less dangerous way, because this is a brushed quadcopter and brushless quadcopters can be more dangerous, I think it's going to be a pretty nice solution. So now I'm going to do the modification and I'll see you when I will be down in order to show you the outcome. Okay, so now before wrapping everything up, I just want to go over what I've done. All I had to do is just to replace the board of the Eachine E58 with this newer board. I've connected the motors and I've soldered the plus and the ground to this board over here. In addition, I had to flash this board to the newest version of Betaflight, because before flashing it, whenever I plugged the battery, the motors just started working. So upgrade to the latest stable Betaflight version, and then you have to configure this board to be set to brushed motors. If you're going to set it to one shot or etc., it's just going to start working as soon as you're going to plug the battery. In addition, I've bound the board to my Taranis. All you have to do is just set your Taranis on D8, channels 1 to 8, hit bind, and power on this board while pressing this button over here. You can either use the USB port or you can just plug the battery. The next thing I'm going to do is to change this FPV camera, which is not great, and I think it's also broken, with this TX05 FPV camera. Then I'm going to wrap everything up and take it for a test flight. Okay, so I'm out in the park. First thing I'm going to do is to fly it line of sight. Let's plug in the battery. Now it's on horizon mode. You can see that there is not a lot of punch. Now I'm going full throttle. You can see that there is not a lot of punch. Yaw is pretty good. Let's see how far we can get. Line of sight. Okay, still. Let's try to flip it on acro. Let's just gain some height. Okay, so we can flip it. So it actually flies pretty nice. You can see that we can do rolls and flips, and now it's on the ground. So now I'm going to connect my goggles and flight FPV. Okay, so as you can see, the wind was pretty strong and this little quadcopter was having trouble dealing with it. So probably it's more suitable for a calm day. So let's get back to the bench and I'm going to give you my conclusion. So overall, as I said on the field, this quadcopter is not intended to be used on heavy winds, not even on light winds. I would only fly it on a very calm day outdoors. So basically, if you already have this quadcopter and you are bored with it and you want to try something new, this upgrade could be useful. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this quadcopter or the upgrade procedure, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos and goodbye.